Don't become the next victim.
The cash didn't come out.
It's so bad. People working hard.
I got stolen from.
Scammers are now setting up traps to steal your money. And most people don't even realize they're being robbed until it's too late. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm gonna show you a foolproof way of how to never become a victim of this scam.
Police in Prince George's County are issuing a warning to ATM users after finding suspicious devices at two banks.
We wanted to show you new photos from Greenbelt Police that show metal plates placed over the cash slots.
Imagine this, you go to the ATM, you put your card in, and no money comes out. And no, it's not because you don't have any money. What's happening to you is what they call cash trapping. And this is a new scam spreading nationwide. Not only is it happening in Maryland on the East Coast, but it's also happening in the South, in Texas.
Plano police say a cash machine that customers thought was malfunctioning was actually tampered with by an international criminal.
It's one of the quickest transactions you can make.
I was just looking to go take some money out of the ATM.
But now, it could be one of the most costly.
I mean, it looks just like a part of the ATM. And I just thought it was going to be a door that was going to pop up and give me the money.
And I was doing forgery investigations for 32 years, and this is a new one for us.
This is the man Plano police say came up with a creative way to con people out of their hard-earned cash.
Here's how it works. Criminals attach a fake device to the slot where the money comes out. Then when you withdraw your money, the money actually gets trapped inside that device. And from your end, it doesn't come out. Then you walk away or drive off thinking the ATM is broken. But the scammer comes back later, rips off the device, and takes your cash.
The plates are adhered over the money slot, essentially trapping the money as it comes out. In the photos provided by Greenbelt Police, you can see a $20 bill attached to one of the cash traps.
See, crooks put in a device that catches your cash.
Devices that they're using fits perfectly over the dispenser mechanism of the ATM machine.
Detectives say Iowa installed a physical blocking device on an ATM at a bank off Preston Road to prevent cash from being dispensed to customers. Believing the ATM was malfunctioning, two victims left to report the issue. Iowa was then seen on surveillance video returning to the same bank to remove the blocking device and collect the trapped currency, making off with nearly $1,000.
Banks have reported thousands of dollars being stolen with this new scam. So tell me, so far, do you think you'll be able to spot one of these ATM scams? Let me know in the comments below.
Greenbelt Police tells us that a person using an ATM at this Bank of America here warned them about a suspicious device just this Saturday. Alicia Hernandez says she's surprised to see that thieves have figured out another way to steal people's hard-earned cash. Greenbelt Police say that it was a concerned resident who notified them that there was a device blocking the money slot at the ATM on Ora Glen Court.
So officers went out there and they found it, and they were able to remove the device. After they saw that, they went out to the other banks in the area and just wanted to be proactive and do a search of all the other ATMs that were around to make sure those devices weren't anyplace else.
But there was. Police removed a second device from the Capital One Bank ATM on Greenbelt Road.
So turns out this particular international scammer was eventually caught by the police.
Iova is a Romanian national with previous law enforcement contacts,
who is wanted by Hungarian and Canadian police on a slew of charges related to bank larceny as well as drug charges. And then we also found out that he's wanted in Maryland and now Texas, where he was ultimately arrested. Iowa was arrested in the Houston area on August 20th by Texas DPS troopers.
But unfortunately, like all scams and schemes, there's always gonna be somebody else doing the same thing. Even though they captured this one, always be on the lookout for this particular scheme, trying to take your hard-earned money. So here are some ways to not be a victim of the cash trap scheme.
Police want to remind everyone to be cautious in general around cash machines. Inspect ATMs before use for unusual devices or modifications. Cover the entry of your PIN number. Report suspicious ATM activity immediately. Contact your bank and police promptly if an ATM withdrawal fails to dispense cash. And be aware that cash trapping devices can be difficult to detect immediately.
So this is one of the reasons why I asked you to stick to the end, because I'm gonna show you what I kind of noticed that will allow you to not become victim of this particular scheme or scam. So the way that bar is made, it only fits like one type of ATM machine. When you take that cover off that they're using to trap your money, it actually shows 2 different slots. And actually it's labeled right under those slots what they're for. That bar covers up both of those slots. And so if you see that, if you pull up to the ATM machine and you see something covering up both slots, putting money in and taking money out, that should be a red flag for you to say, hey, this ain't right. Something ain't right about this ATM. So that's what I observed. I think it's going to be very helpful. It's going to be very helpful for me. Hopefully it's going to be very helpful for you. So tell me, how would you react if this happened to you? Would you just drive away? Do you think the bank should refund that money that the customers lost? Let me know in the comments below and let's talk about it. If you got value out this video, show some love and smash the subscribe, like, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you like this video, definitely check out the next video.